It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry.
Preshow Huddle at the World of Asphalt. With months of preparation, here we are, gateway to the West.
In St. Louis, Missouri, at the World of Asphalt 2025.
You ready to get this started?
Let's go pump some people up, brother.
Let's go. I'll get the gear.
I'll get the people.
Do it. Today's an important day, everyone. We've got competition all around us. But you know what? We're not gonna let this keep us down. We've got the best machines on the market, and we're gonna dominate this show, and we're gonna bring people in here, and we're gonna pump them up. So first on the list, we've got the Super 1700 with our brand new VR 500 behind it. We're gonna hit the ground running on that one. Nars, I want you on that one right here.
Nars, where are you at? Nars, where are you at, man?
You're gonna be there, and you're gonna be taking questions on this machine. Next, we have the MR100i Neo. Little Evan, you're gonna attack this machine right here.
Evan, where are you, little buddy? Evan, huh?
It's the little bitty giant for Kleeman, straight from the Matrix, downloaded right here to the World of Asphalt. Next, we have HOM with real-time density. We're the only ones in the market with this. So Dan, I want you here.
Dan, where are you, my man? We got the real-time density scanner.
I want you to be all over that machine like gravy on mashed potatoes, buddy. I mean, really get in there, and that really good brown gravy too, you know? And then next, we have the man of few words, Tom Chastain. I need you right here.
Tom, we got a super cool show, man. A bunch of people are gonna ask you questions.
With the W210 XF, not I, because we got a new tiering system. So you're gonna have a lot of questions about tiering and the new John Deere engine that's in that machine. So are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Let's get to it. Man, I got the prep staff all pumped for this.
What's all the racket?
Oh, I was...
Tyler, I couldn't find nobody, man. Hey, what's up?
Boost staff's not supposed to show up till 3.
Oh man,
So I pumped everybody up for nothing?
Needs work.
man, you're gonna have to redraw that.
I can't believe this. I pumped them up for nothing.